Hey Guillermo, we got your 1990 Mustang GT computer done in the A9P and looks great. The repair went well. We'll do the bench testing first. Power comes on, check engine light comes on, fuel pump runs for 1 second when we turn the key on. That's all true. It's got 5 volts on the regulator. Put it into code pulling mode and she'll start blinking some codes here in a sec. And here we go. Everything's looking pretty good on the bench. That's not the end-all be-all test, but everything that it's supposed to do, it is doing so far. We changed out the capacitors. This one was in pretty good shape. So let's see. There's the first one. And the second one. And there's the third one. And look at that. Isn't that sexy? Look at that beautiful, nice, clear, conformal coating. Looks like it was born there. I like it. Okay. Everything works fine. I expect this to be a perfect result. So I will send you a bill. Thank you, sir.